Guys, you know what I brought? I brought the Universal Studio Pass, and I brought this mail I found. And this is for Blackbird. I guess I'll read it. No, man. I got this, man. For my brother. No, I mean my dad. I always wanted to see your son. But now, man, sorry guys, I have a habit. But now, just give me your phone and send this back. Okay, give this to the mail guy. Here, man. Mail. Here we go, man.
Thanks, man. There's accent, by the way.
Thank you, man.
Mail for Blackbird.
Oh, I'll take my long nap.
It's from Blackbird, your son.
Oh my god, I knew he was alive.
I'm just gonna eat my burger.
Okay, he gave me his phone number. Let me just get my phone. 1818 77 15 11111. Oh.
Ding.
Yellow man, this is Blackbird. Blackbird, this is your father. You man, I want to do a visit. Okay, I'll be there. You man, I hope you have a girlfriend. Yeah man, bye.
Whoa, I hope he does. Okay, let's go. So we're going to north. Wow, lots of doors. Door. Okay, this door.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, you must be big.
Yeah, can I see him?
Yeah, he's right over there.
Oh,
and I exploded the man. Sorry. I
exploded. Whoa! Ah! Oh my God!
What was that?
Sweet, your baby, the baby. You guys are married? Oh, hello. Ah, look on my back. Okay, sorry about that. Why do you have an blue one? If you want it, the doctor changed his color by accident. Oh, okay. Blackbird, I want to see your wife and wait. Can I talk to Blackbird alone? I like to see your wife.
My wife is. Be right back. Sassy dog, man.
What do you want? I told you I'm not gonna do your favors anymore. What do you want?
Oh, yeah. Can you pretend to be my wife?
No. Why would I do that? I hate you anyways. All the time you've been mean to me. Now you want me to do.
Sorry, man, but I'll pay you back with the exploding offer.
Oh, yeah, I want to see you explode. Because I want to see you die. I mean explode.
Okay,
mostly die.
Just pretend you're my girlfriend. Okay, Dan, man. This is my...
Hi. It's nice to meet you. I'm pregnant, but I still haven't got my baby yet.
This is your wife? Yeah, man. This is my wife. She's... We don't want to name her. Think you're sassy. Catherine.
Oh, I really wanted to have your wife to name like that. It's really an honor to meet you. Yes, do you speak Spanish afterwards? No, but I like to learn. Okay, come with me. I like your wife.
No, yeah, man.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Okay, come on.
Now, here's Spanish, guys. Okay. Wait, come with me to the stairs.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I'm stuck. Okay, I'll get that. Oh, Blackbird!
What do you want?
Destroy the whole house.
What do you want?
Okay, come on. Your father needs to get out or we will get him out.
No, he's my dad, man.
Fine. I'll let him stay.
Redbird, say something.
Let him stay. And I'll show you another video that I wanted you guys to see as I do.
Okay, well, I gotta go.
Okay, fine.
Okay, thank you guys, man.
You pushed me.
Sorry.
Great.
Here's a free Universal.
Ooh, Let me go. Come on, come on, Big Brother Bear. You owe me something.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. How's it close? What is close, man? Oh, your face is close to me.
And as we say in Spanish, we gotta go. Oh, okay. What are you doing? Don't teach in Spanish. You don't even know Spanish. Yes, I do know half of them.
It's gonna get crazy, man.
Okay, fine.
Speak him Italian or something.
Bonjour.
Oh, bonjour. Never mind, he's gonna get crazy.
Oh, yeah, how about
English.
Yeah. How about we come eat the burger? The ready-to-eat burgers, except Bluebird and Big Brother Bear, who went to eat burgers somewhere else. Okay, come on, let's go.
Okay. Okay. Well, do I really have to pay this time, honey?
No, we're not, sweetie. We're just gonna eat, and then we'll see who's gonna pay the cashier.
Oh, we're back.
And we're really, really hungry because
You guys didn't eat.
yeah, we know that we're not gonna have to pay, so and we have to pay over there. Whoa. Okay, that's it. With Blackbird, of course. I still start. Shh. The burger's coming.
Here's the delivery. Here you go.
Who's gonna pay? Oh, I will. $16. I'll give you another one tomorrow without paying, okay? Because you give me $16. It costs 2 pizzas. So I'll give you one tomorrow. 2 burgers.
Oh, that's few. Yeah, man. So let's start eating.
Wait. Where's the plates? Oh, no. We don't eat plates. We just do this. Oh my god.
Guys, I thought this was a generous place.
No.